In this video, I'm going to show you the process of making this artwork. I made this artwork mainly in Photoshop with a little bit Cinema 4D to create the foreground cave. Without any further ado, let's check it out. So here at first I create the foreground cave in Cinema 4D. And then I use Octane Render Displacement Map capability to generate the detailed rocks. Then I add a few grasses to add more details. So here I created an ambient light for the cave, and this is the thing that I really like when doing some 3D stuffs. We can generate light and then customize the intensity, the tone, and even also the shadow. When I see enough, I render it and then import it into Photoshop. After fixing a bit of outer details, I add the Cyberpunk city in the background. This sky image, I actually rendered it from Daz3D Studio, which is a great software to generate 3D human character. These random colors that I download from Freepik is I use it as the circle neon light. And then I use polar coordinate filter to generate a nice circle shape. I duplicate them to accentuate and add more details to the neon light effects. Then here I add a few light effects that come from the ground by using a simple fill color on a rectangle selection, and then use the blending mode screen. And then here I add some pinkish light ambience by using gradient map and then selectively applying it to some areas. Just try to match with the background lights effects there. then here I apply some light colors over the cave rocks to create some nice highlights on the surface of it. I do this with some brush from Photoshop, the texture brush, and on the layer with the blending mode screen. I also applied a similar technique on the guy layer to add some highlights on him. Then I do some color tweaking and a few more painting for lights on here and there until I get satisfied with the result. So that concludes the speed art process of making this artwork. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.